2019 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 66,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.